In California, income earned during marriage is generally community property, and a court must usually divide community property equally between spouses upon divorce. In Marriage of Poppe, we explore how California courts determine what portion of a spouse's retirement benefits is community property. After 9 years of active duty in the Navy, Daniel Poppe married Josephine Poppe. Shortly thereafter, he left active duty for the Naval Reserve, meaning he served part-time with a fluctuating time commitment. 27 years later, Daniel and Josephine separated. The subsequent divorce decree stated that when Daniel retired from the reserves, Josephine could petition for an order entitling her to half the retirement benefits that accrued during marriage. Daniel retired a few years later and started receiving pension payments of $592 per month. His pension amount was based on the number of points he attained during service. A point was earned for each training drill and each day of active duty. At retirement, Daniel had 5,002 points, 1,632 of which accumulated during his marriage. Daniel's number of years of service was immaterial in calculating his pension amount. It was only relevant in determining Daniel's eligibility for pension. After Daniel's retirement, Josephine petitioned to establish her interest in Daniel's pension. She argued that based on the time rule, the community property portion was the pension amount multiplied by the fraction 27.25 over 31.5, Daniel's years of service during marriage over Daniel's total qualifying years of service. Based on that formula, Josephine's half of the community interest was approximately $250 a month. But Daniel argued that the community interest should be the pension amount multiplied by the fraction 1,632 over 5,002, the points accumulated during marriage over the total points on which the pension amount was based. Using that formula, Josephine's half of the community interest was approximately $95 a month. The trial court held in Josephine's favor, and Daniel appealed to the California Court of Appeal.